Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add dash underline in Google Sheets. So okay, let's start. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that add dash underline. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for. Then click for drawing option. Now select from the line. Now draw a line. Now go into the line dash option. Now click for a dash option. Then click for a line edit option. Now click for 4px. Now click for 7 color option. This underline for move from the underline text. Then again another text add dash underline, going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now click for line. Now draw a line. Now going to the line dash option. Now click for dash option. Now click for line edit option. Now click for a 4px. Then click for 7 color option. This underline from the move from the any text on the under. That's it. Then issue add dash underline in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.